In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11 Taskbar Not Hiding Automatically. If you've ever experienced this annoying little quirk where your taskbar just won't disappear when it's supposed to, don't worry, you're not alone, and thankfully, this is a relatively quick fix. Let's walk through the process together so you can get your taskbar back in working order, smoothly and effortlessly. We'll begin by opening the Task Manager. Don't worry if you're unfamiliar with it. It's a built-in utility on Windows that helps you manage active applications and services. Here's how you can open it. Simply press Ctrl, Shift, and S key all at the same time. Think of this like a little magic trick on your keyboard, instantly pulling up the Task Manager without needing to navigate through various menus or search bars. Once Task Manager is open, it might look a bit intimidating, but fear not, it's much simpler than it seems. You'll see a list of all the applications and processes currently running on your computer. Our focus will be on one particular process you need to pay attention to, Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer is the backbone of your desktop environment, handling everything from managing your files to displaying your taskbar and Start menu. Now with the Task Manager open, scroll through the list or use the search feature, most task managers have one, to locate Windows Explorer. Once you've found it, you'll want to perform a right-click on it. You might wonder, why right-click? Well, right-clicking here will give you a small context menu with various options. From this menu, the option you want to choose is Restart. Go ahead and click on Restart. What we're doing here is essentially refreshing the Windows Explorer process. You can think of it like rebooting a router to fix your internet. Sometimes, a simple restart is all it takes to get things back on track. Restarting Windows Explorer will momentarily refresh your desktop, so don't be surprised if the screen flickers or blinks briefly. This is completely normal and part of the process. After you've restarted Windows Explorer, you should notice that the taskbar is back to its normal behavior, hiding and reappearing as it should. This quick reset often resolves any display issues the taskbar may have, allowing it to auto-hide as you've set it to in your preferences. And there you have it, a fast and effective way to solve that pesky problem of the taskbar not hiding automatically in Windows 11. If by any chance the issue persists, it might require further troubleshooting, but for most cases, this restart should do the trick. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and you're now all set with your taskbar operating seamlessly once again. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other helpful guides for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.